Good morning. I just tossed some evidence on base Michigan and Fort Hood that somebody had rocket launches. As you know, they attacked the USS Nevada in 2021 already. And then we go to the fact that the US was sending smart rockets to those motherfuckers. And after the attack on the White House, June attacks that with Alexander. And everything stopped. But everything was sold, including the Zoombacker and all these weapons. Now, next to the attacks on everybody, every fucker with an original, like an Alexander and a Michelle, they left laptops when they died. I found guys with laptops with the launch codes of the US, and they work. UK, Finland, Denmark, everything whatever could fight, France, Belgium, Spain, and Italy. And nobody had the detonation codes of that. How do you explain that with ATP? And all the attacks in Marseille and all they're blocked. Isn't this funny? Axe out.